Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download app on Android. Now the first thing you have to do is open Google Play Store. Now if you want to download Instagram, go to search bar and then type Instagram, then tap on Instagram and then tap on Instagram again and then tap on install. Now Instagram will be download and install automatically. You don't have to do anything and the download is complete. And then go to app screen. And here you can see Instagram has been installed successfully. Now if I open this, and now Instagram is ready for use. From here you can log in or sign up your Instagram account. Now if you want to download any games, just go to Google Play Store again, and if I search Hill Climb Racing, then tap here, then tap on install. It will download and install automatically. You don't have to do anything, and the download is complete. Now just go to app screen, and here it is. And that is how you can download apps on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.